Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Mazda CX-5. Stock number is A7732. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top, you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch, there's plenty of storage room here in the hatch area. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes your CD player. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the CX-5 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.